On today's video, we're going to change out the sock filter in our closed loop HVAC system. First thing we have to do is shut off the inlet valve, which is right here, and then the outlet valve, which is over here. Shut both of those down, and then open up the drain to the bottom of our sock filter housing right here. So let's go ahead and shut down our first valve. Now I'm going to use a cheer bar here. Now you close this real slow, just like so. Make sure you close it all the way. And then over here is our outlet valve. Now we open up the drain to the bottom of our filter housing, and then these eye bolts here, just loosen them up. I'm going to use another cheer bar for this. And then right here we have a bracket holding down our stainless steel basket. I'll go ahead and just loosen that up, put that out of the way. Now go ahead and remove the stainless steel strainer straight out, and just go ahead and remove the sock. So remove this top here to the sock filter. Let's take a look inside. So let's go ahead and get a new sock filter out here. And just in reverse order how we removed it, go ahead and put it back together. Just like so. Make sure it's all the way out. And then put our new sock back in our stainless steel strainer. Make sure it goes all the way down. Slide it back in our housing. Now we got to get our bracket back on here. There's two slots on each side, and then make sure it goes right in the center here. And just crank her down. Not real tight, but just nice and snug. Let's go ahead and put our lid back on. Line it up. Make sure it's in the center. Let's go ahead and tighten them down. Nice and snug. There it is there. First thing we do is we close our drain valve to 90%, not all the way. And then in reverse order how we closed it, we're going to open it. The outlet valve first, and then the inlet valve. We make sure we open this really slow. Doesn't hurt to use a cheater bar. Then now we have to go close our valve all the way, the drain valve. We did lose some water during the process, so here's our makeup. We have to make up some water in our closed loop system. So open up our makeup water valve, and on our pressure gauge here it has to be at 30. Right now it's reading 20, so all we have to do is add some makeup water until our gauge reads 30 psi, and we're good. Keep an eye on it. There it is there, 30 psi. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.